YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to another crafty video. I am here today to share my project for Citrus Punch Mondays 2025. This is a collaboration that was started by So Good All as well as VLB Allen 1 here on YouTube. And this is an open collaboration. All you have to do is use the hashtag. We will be coming on every Monday in June at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will be sharing projects with a citrus fruit theme combined with either flowers, vegetables, or other fruits. I will leave a link to Veronica and Audrey's YouTube channels down in the description box. Before I share the products that I use, don't forget to like the video to help support my channel. Subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram as Scrap Passion 01, so please follow me over there as well. I pulled out this new die set that I purchased from the Greetery. It's called Sweetest frame. I also pulled out the bow bookmark, also by the Greetery. Elizabeth Craft Designs strawberry die. Here are my flowers that I use by the Paper Studio. I just decided to share this paper I use. You guys know I love gift bags. That's my jam. And I had this gift bag in my stash. And I used the paper from it as well as I cut out an orange from this paper. I also used some gift wrap. Let me share that with you. I used this beautiful strawberry gift wrap that I purchased from Home Goods, TJ Maxx. I also used this gift bag, and this is what I have left, so I use this as well. So I decided to create what is called Sweetest Frames gift card holder. I followed a tutorial by the Greetery, and I will link it below if you're interested. So let me share with you the first one I created. Here is the first one I created with the lemon themed. I think it turned out so cute, you guys. So I have my lemon here, and I already had this embellishment put together. And here's the bow here, and then this is the Sweetest frame dies, and it pulls up like this. And this is where you will house your gift card. So I thought that was such a clever and cute idea. It goes back down in there like that. Isn't that cute? So when I got used to, putting it together, I decided to put my little spin on it. And what I did different with the other two that I'm going to share, I put some mat board behind this layer because you guys know how I am about dimension. I love dimension. So I felt like this needed to be popped up. This layer needed to be popped up a little bit. So let me share with you the second one I created. Here is the second gift card holder I put together. I used the die to cut out the mat board and put it behind this layer just to give it some lift. I went with a strawberry theme with this one, and I used that Elizabeth Craft Designs strawberry die. And I love how it turned out. And you can't really see a lot of the gift wrap that I used. And I just kept it green on the back. But yeah, I can't wait to use some more of that strawberry gift wrap. But it is so cute, you guys. I love how it turned out. I added a cute little embellishment here that says, "You're so sweet." And then there is my citrus, the lemon right there, as well as the lemon in the center of this flower. So it pulls up again, and then you will put your gift card in there. Simple, but a cute way to present a gift card. Let me share with you number 3. And here is Number 3 with the orange is my orange, my citrus. And I told you I just cut out the image from that gift bag, and then I used some dimensional on the back. I also pulled out my distress inks and I inked around the leaf and the orange, just to give it some depth. Just took the gift bag and cut the orange out of it and gave it some dimension, and you guys, it looks so cute. I added a flower here, a cute little bee. Again, I have some dimension behind this layer. I have this little embellishment that says, "Hey, you." And then here is another orange with the flower. And this one pulls up, and voila, this is where your gift card will go. On this one, I just left an orange on the back. I forgot to share on this one, I used the designer paper on the back of this one. This is Sweetest frames, gift card holders, super, super cute. Which is your favorite? I think my favorite will have to be the strawberry one. I really like that one. Make sure you check out Veronica and Audrey and see what they have created, and just search the hashtag and see what everyone else has created as well, or join in yourself. That is my time, and until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.